pa pickle.
Dear Breakfast Club, you have called for war. We have our troops ready and on the go. We're coming to attack you. Watch out, we will win. The pickles will never die. You can't win. Our nation is strong. You can say you will fight all you want, but we are stronger. From the King and Queen of the Pickles.
Pickle, pa pickle, 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 pa 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 pickle, pa pickle, pickle, pickle.